Doctor, we may have an exciting new story. Here, take this. It should catch a lot of needed attention. It's about the Aleutian tsunami a while back. Yeah, here, take it. All right, I'll cover it. All right. Oh, Amico. Yeah, what is it? Our news source is dying, Amico. Nobody actually watches us anymore. So we need a new, exciting story. And I think I have one for you to report on. Here, I have the details written on my typewriter. There. Okay. What exactly am I reporting on here? Do you remember that tsunami on the Aleutian Islands in '46? Well, ever since then, there's been some very strange activity going on there. And I want you to report on it. There's a scientist there. Forgot his name, but I want you to interview him. Here. Here you go. Take this. This is strange. All right, I'll cover it. Yeah, great stuff for mysteries of the 20th century. Amico, this literally could save our news site. I'm so excited about this. I need you to go now, okay? So, if this fails, I think I have another exciting story, all right? But go. All right, I'm going. Yes. This is gonna work, I know it. Here, get some ground samples. Let's go. Here, take those samples from the ground. Come on, move. Let's go. Everybody, come on. Take those samples.
Stupid typewriter. Dumb machine.
Hey, are you scientist Harryhausen?
Yeah, that's me.
All right, good. I'm a reporter here at Aleutian News. I'm going to give you a little interview, if that's okay. Oh, you want to interview me about my research, huh? Well, guess what? It's all worthless. It's all worthless now. Because I can't seem to figure this out. And this typewriter here is no help. So, Doctor, can you tell me a little bit about this strange activity that's been going on here? All right, fine. So, as you can probably tell, there has been some very strange things happening here since the Aleutian tsunami in 1946. Can you give me an example? All right, what month is it? January, of course. Yet feel how hot it is. And there has been an excessive amount of storms only in this area. And especially by this beach right here, there's been these mini little earthquakes, like little trembles. You see this tank behind me? It crashed a couple hours ago, right here, for no known reason. No survivors either. Isn't that strange? Yes, that is awfully strange. What do you think is the cause of this? News reporter, let me ask you this. Do you believe in monsters? Well, of course not. Who would? All right. You don't think that's the cause of this, do you? No, I really don't, but just adding a bit of perspective to it. That was odd. Weird. Bill, print out more copies. Interesting. Hey, Bill, you heard me? No, the other ones. Yes, those ones. No, the ones next to them. Boss, did you see what's new in the paper today? Oh, come on, amigo. We are the paper. So you really should look at it. Everybody's going crazy about it. It's something about a sea serpent. All right, let me see this. Eyewitnesses claim to have seen a sea serpent destroying a bridge yesterday. Claims that they saw a large serpent-like creature wrecking a bridge. This is very, very strange. What crappy news site did this? Actually, this is our news site. Wait, our news site did this? Oh, come on, Bill! What are you typing up in there? Boss, whether you believe this or not, this is very serious. The bridge was destroyed. And if you look in the picture there, that is no earthquake that did that. No tsunami either. That's no tornado. Something had to have done that. You see the bite marks on that bridge in the picture? That was no natural disaster that did that. Let me see that picture again. Wow.
Attack on the lighthouse.
What on earth could have done that?
I mean, a tornado maybe? Crazy. I don't know.
Something is clear. We have a serious problem on our hands. And that is why I call on you, Defense Minister, to answer me this question. Why did that lighthouse get destroyed a little bit ago? And why did we see no traces of a natural disaster destroying it? It's because I don't think it was a natural disaster that destroyed it. And what do you think did it? After lots of speculation, I have decided on one theory. I think we may have a sea serpent in the Aleutian Islands.
What? Sea? This is not real. Sea serpents aren't a thing.
A sea could even exist.
Sea serpents?
Such a thing doesn't exist. My theory is when the Aleutian tsunami hit in 1947, it may have washed something ashore. Something from at least 20,000 fathoms beneath the sea. A sea monster.
A sea monster?
Seriously, I think it's entirely possible. What else do you think destroyed that lighthouse and that bridge, huh? Or a tornado? Well, sea serpents tend to cause lots of public panic. A sea serpent seems very silly to me. Sea serpents are not real. Such a thing did not cause that lighthouse to be destroyed. Think seriously. Well, if it is, then how would such a monster go about being destroyed? We would trap it and kill it. And to see if it is real, we'll be watching the waters. And if it surfaces again, then we'll try to kill it. All right. Very, very silly. Sea serpent?
Wow. The idea of a sea serpent in the
All right then,
water.
let's keep an eye on the waters. See if there really is a sea serpent.
Want that. All right, meeting closed. Let's go.
Fine. All right, let's get to work here. Hey, sir, where do you want the tanks loaded? Here's fine. Okay, thank you. Well, Defense Minister, you got what you wanted. This is an absolute waste of military machinery. All this could have been used in that war a while ago. I'm keeping an eye on the waters. If a sea serpent or a sea monster emerges, this will be here to stop it. So you're sending us on a wild goose chase now. Or maybe, but at least we'll know the truth. All right, you have 12 hours. If this thing emerges in that time, then good. We'll kill it. If it doesn't, then I'm shutting this whole operation down. All right, fine. I'll take it. Defense Minister! Defense Minister! Hello, sir. We're here from the Aleutian News, and can you try to explain to us what your thinking is here? We believe there's a sea monster in the Aleutian Islands. Can you tell us more about the sea monster? The sea monster thing is just a theory. But if it is true, if there is a sea monster in the Aleutian Islands, I have a trap set to kill it. See that building up there? I've placed explosives all throughout that building. And if this sea monster is real, it'll come ashore. And when it tries to attack that building, I'll press the button and blow it all up. It'll explode the building, but it'll blow up the sea monster too. Interesting. How can you be sure such a thing is real? I'm not sure, but I'll tell you one thing. That was no natural disaster that destroyed that lighthouse and that bridge. That was no act of terrorism either. That was a monster. So, I'll wait here and keep an eye on the waters. If the sea monster does surface in the next 12 hours, then I'll kill it. If it doesn't, it's fine. It's seen as not real. Israel. Are you photographing this? Wow. Oh my God. Wow. It's heading toward the building! Prepare the bomb! I got it! Alright, set it for 10 seconds. Alright, let's hope this works. Alright, let's blow this sea serpent out of our waters.